click on word domain, then you can add your existing domain name here. Type the domain names, and then you can click on continue. I type the domain. Okay, then I clicked continue. Cloudflare scanned my existing domain DNS records, and you can see the existing domain DNS records. Click on continue to activations. Confirm. Then you can find the Cloudflare name saver details. Please go to the Namecheap accounts, and you want to add these name saver details to the Namecheap. Click on domain list on Namecheap and find your domain and click on manage. Then you can find name savers, then click on custom DNS. Now you can add names saver details of Cloudflare. Go to the Cloudflare and find the name saver details. There are two name savers. Now click on right marks and add these details to Namecheap. Okay friends, now you can go Cloudflare again and click on continue. It will take some time to activate name savers savers details of Namecheap. So now you can transfer the Namecheap to the Cloudflare very easily. First you want to add Namecheap name saver details. After activations, you can go to the Namecheap and click on sharing and transfer. First of all, your domain is locked. Please unlock it. You can find the transfer out and click unlock. Okay, domain is unlocked successfully. Now you can generate auth code. That code need to the transfer process. Now you can click on auth code. Click on auth code, and then Namecheap will email that code into your email accounts. You can select the reasons and click on send code. It will take some time to receive in your Gmail inbox. You can find that code in your Gmail inbox. That code need to the enter in your Cloudflare account during transfer process. Then you can find the domain and you can select the domain, and you can see the invoice of domain. Then you can confirm the domains, and then you want to enter the authentications code here. You can find that code from your Gmail account and put authentication codes which sent by Namecheap and click on continue and proceeds. Then you can find the payments details. You can find, and if you put your own details here and then click on payments, you can use the cards or PayPal, and then you can pay. This method will work for the transfer your Namecheap account to into the Cloudflare register. Thanks for watching. If you have any question regarding this, please comment below.